Hello everyone, it's Liana here of Art and Plan Studio, and I'm so excited to finally share with you the project I've been working on this past couple of months. I am releasing my own line of 2024 digital planners. I've been wanting to do this for so long now, and here we are launching it for the whole world to see. My life changed when I first got an iPad, and digital planning has helped me in my everyday life since then. I get to be organized for my work and personal tasks, list down my to-do list for the week, and even help me plan my content as a content creator. Now it's time for me to help you be organized and productive this 2024 with my digital planner. Let's get right into it. Once you purchase the item on Etsy, log into your Etsy account in Safari or Chrome browser, then go to the Purchases tab and download. Now you'll get to see this file. Just click download your files here, then it will direct you to a Google Drive folder. Now it depends on what theme you ordered. So we have 3 themes available. We have the black and white, neutral, and colorful. So for this demo, we'll use colorful theme. What you'll see inside the Google Drive folder is we have this updated file, these updated folders. We have the 2024 planners, December 2023 planner covers, and planner sticker. For the 2024 planners folder, you'll get to see the Monday start and the Sunday start of the planner. Then I added a freebie for you to start planning this December 2023. So in this folder, you'll get to see the Monday start and the Sunday start of December 2023. So you can start digital planning as early as this month. Then you'll also see the zip file of the planner covers and zip file of planner stick. And lastly, we have the README file. This includes the link of the walkthrough video that you're watching now, the freebies that you'll be getting. So it's an exclusive freebie because you purchased this digital planner, so you'll get to have these freebies. And the last one is there's a support email that you can message me if ever you have any problem in your order. Okay, so these digital planners are in PDF files, so you need a PDF annotation app for you to be able to use. So there are PDF annotation apps like GoodNotes, Notability, Noteshell, Zinnia, Dodo for Windows, and other PDF annotation apps. So for this walkthrough, I'm going to use GoodNotes 6. Now let's import this to GoodNotes. Just click the 3 dots here on the top right, then click Open In. Then you'll get to see Open in GoodNotes. Click on that and just click Import as New Document. Now you'll just choose a folder where you want to add this plan, and there you have it. It's already imported to GoodNotes 6. Now let's start our 2024 digital planner walkthrough. So on the first page, you'll get to see this really beautiful cover. It's an inspiration of like a composition book design. By the way, undated planners will be available soon. Will be out on the next launch. Stay tuned for that. If you want to have an undated version of this planner, it will be out soon. Now on the second page, you'll get to see the home page or the template library. So first is the yearly overview, monthly templates, weekly template, daily templates, and notes section. By the way, these are all hyperlinked, so it will go directly to the page. So for yearly overview, you will get to see all the 12 months that are dated. So the months are hyperlinked and it will go direct to each month. Here, July, it will go directly to the July calendar. But the dates here are not hyperlinked because the daily templates are add as you go page. I'll explain everything about this later on. Now in the yearly overview page, there's also a home icon here that can go back to the home page. Now let's move on to monthly template. First that you'll see is the monthly calendar. Here on the left is you get to jot down your priorities for this month, and also we have the notes section that can write maybe some of your favorite pictures, some motivational quotes right here. It's all up to you. And of course, here on the top, what we have is hyperlinks to each month. You just have to click here to go directly to each month. We have February, March, April, until December. And on the top right is we have 3 icons. So first is the star, which is the month's vision board. Then there's arrow here on the top left to go back to the monthly page. On the vision board page, there are also links here on top that you can also navigate for each month's vision board. If you want to see your vision board last month, you can easily click on these icons. Then there's this home icon here on the top right that goes back to the home page. Then on the second icon on the top right is we have the monthly notes. In each month, you'll get to have your notes page here, so you can jot down your notes for the month or just create your own diary for the month. It's all up to you. You have all the freedom what you want to do for this page. Then they're all hyperlink on top from numbers 1 to 12. These are icons for the notes for each month. You can easily navigate and to go to the notes page of each month. And what I love about this planner is I added inspirational quote for each month right here. So every month you get to see a different inspirational quote. Now let's move on to weekly templates. There are 3 options available, so you get to choose which one works for you. First option is Box Weekly, and on the right side is we have your to-do list. You can list your to-do list for the week, and there's a little My Notes section. There's also a home icon here, so you can go back to the home page instantly. Next is we have the vertical box weekly, so you can add time slots here and write on your activities for the week. I'll create more weekly spreads and daily spreads for you guys, so you get to see how I plan for the week or plan for the day, for you to get inspired also on how to fill out these template. Next template is also a box weekly, but in a different design. Here on the left is you can list down your week's goals. These weekly and daily templates are add as you go pages because I created this digital planner for beginners or for those who doesn't want a lot of complicated templates because it makes them overwhelmed. So I made this a simple yet functional planner that doesn't overcomplicate stuff. Just add a template that will help you with your schedule on that day or week. So in GoodNotes, just click the 3 dots on the top right, just click copy page and then go to the month or go to the page that you want to paste it. Click here, the folder with the plus icon, and click paste page. And there you go, it's now added to the page and the link will still work. So if you're that person that doesn't plan the week, you're not that weekly person or you're not that daily person, it's okay. You don't have to force yourself to plan for the day, plan every week. I don't want you to work for your digital plan. I want the digital planner will work for you. Also, I'm sharing a tip here. If you want to easily find a template, you can use the bookmark function in GoodNotes. Just click the second icon on the top right, then go to the 4 squares icon here on the top left, then click favorites, and there you go. You can go to this specific template wherever you are in your planner. So it's very easy. If you want to see a specific template, just add it as a favorite. Alright, so now let's move on to daily templates. So we have 3 options for dailies. First is we have here the per hour schedule on the left, and we have some important reminders, meal plan. There's a box here that's not labeled, so it's up to you on what you want to put on here, and we have some daily notes. Next one is we have a box style, and this one is the last option. Now let's go to notes section. So we have here, there's a blank notes, line notes, or grid notes. You can use this for your meeting, your lecture notes, study notes, work notes, whatever you want. You can just use these notes options that works for you. We have blank, line, and grid options. Alright, so that's it for the colorful planner. Now let's just look at this neutral planner if you want to have a walkthrough. I love neutrals. That's why I added this theme for you guys, because I know there are a lot of neutral lovers out there. This is an example of a monthly spread I created for January. I love how it all turned out. These are some of the stickers that comes with the purchase of the digital planner. I'll show a walkthrough of the stickers later on. Now, this one is a sample of the weekly template I created. And we have the daily template. There's also a black and white theme for this digital planner. I love how classy and elegant this black and white planner. It gives the classy vibes. Enjoy this flip through. Now let's go back to the download file. I will also show you a glimpse of the Sunday start. So it's the same with Monday start, it's just that the calendar will start on Sunday. So to download this zip file right here, just click on it, click on the three dots on the top right, click open in, and click save to file. Now choose a folder where you want to save this file. Then on your files app, just click on the zip file, then open the file, then open the planner covers file, and there you go. You get to see all these planner covers that comes with your purchase. So I created this fun, minimal, and simple planner covers. So you can choose which colors you want as your planner cover. I'll show you how to add this one. So just save this as image, go to GoodNotes and click on the image file right here, and then add it and just resize the cover. And there you go. You now change your planner cover. Same process on how to download your planner stickers zip file. So now these are the planner stickers that comes with your purchase. And you can also add these images in the Elements tab in GoodNotes. So here's how you can do it. Just click on the Elements icon, then click the plus icon to add a new collection. So you have two options on how to add them. First is you can click import from, then you will individually add them. So the second option is add to photos, but before that, on your files app, you have to select all these stickers and save them as images first before you can add them as photos. So here you can select these stickers at once and add them to your Elements tab. And there you have it, everyone. So this is the end of our walkthrough for our 2024 digital planners for beginners. For those who wants simplicity, not overcomplicated stuff, or a planner that's easy to use and works for you, check more about this planners. If you want to purchase it, it's available in Etsy. I'll share the link in the description below. Thank you for your unending support. And if you have any questions about the 2024 digital planners or products that you want to see more in Art and Plan Studio, let me know in the comments or just send me a DM in my Instagram. I would be happy to chat with you. Bye!